Nurse Hines, Dave Hines from Jaja Foundation, Jacoby team.
Right. So you're a part of the early mission that's heading down to St. Thomas. Tell us what you're going on here to do.
All right. So as an advanced team, there are about 5 of us. We're gonna go out there. Just look at the place, set it up so that we have, like, say, dental where water is, and then we make sure that nursing has their set, GYN have their set, so everybody is ready to go. All supplies are in place, so that when the main team gets there, there's no work to be done. We can do more work, spend more time with our community, get things done quicker.
So how many years have you been volunteering at the Jaja Foundation?
About 4 years.
Okay. Why do you keep coming back?
I keep coming back because this gives me a sense of belonging, a sense of wanting to give back. It gives me a fulfilling feeling to know that you can give back to the less fortunate.
Thank you for your service. We appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Jaja Foundation, for coming to our school today. Yay!